These are elevators number 3 and 4 at the Pittsburgh Technology Center Garage. They're Schindler 338. Yeah. And then you'll get on and get a view. Go to 5. As we all know, Schindler's, that doesn't work. Let's look out the window. Go down to 1. £3,500 capacity. Go look at the shaft. Look out this side. Five-story 338. This is a construction site. Alco parking. Clean your elevator. Time to go up. Yeah. Time to get a view. Go back up to 5 to get a view. Let's look up the airlock. This was installed in probably 2008 or 2009. It's a nice day outside. I haven't been here in forever. I'd even say it's Pittsburgh's equivalent to the Elmwood Garage in Roanoke, Virginia. This is a Schindler Elmwood Garage, Pittsburgh's. Let's get off here and we'll get a view. Here's a view of Technology Center. Ooh, there's a wasp right there. There's US Steel Tower. 450 Technology Drive. A new building, part of University of Pittsburgh. There's the rest of the garage right there. And right there is, I believe that, and there's the Parkway East. We're gonna go back down. Right, there's a man-powered elevator.
Want to take the stairs yet?
No.
Yeah.
Go back down the elevator. Back down to 1, and we'll switch to the first bank. Let's get a cab going down. Just your basic parking garage over, but I do like that big picture window. HD regular, hands-free ADA code compliant phone. Your control panel. Fire operation. Believe in here is fire service. Believe it's in the control panel. Fire operation, call cancel, alarm bell. Whoever owns this garage, clean your elevators. Here we are at there it goes. And that's it.